Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will cover how to send an email with an image embedded from Power Automate. We're going to do this in 4 steps. We're going to create a flow and we're then going to get the file contents, which will be the image using the OneDrive connector. Then we're going to write some HTML and use a base64 function to encode our image and then send it using Outlook. It's really simple, so let's get started. Right, so what I'm going to be sending in the email is this Power Automate logo. It's nothing special. It's a PNG logo and it's just located on my OneDrive just here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into My Flows. Actually, we're going to go and create, that'll be simpler. Just go into Instant Cloud Flow. Then let's name this Embed Image Tutorial. Let's manually trigger the flow. Let's create this, see what happens. I'm going to go into the old designer because I'm not too keen on the new one. And the first thing we need to do is we need to get this image, so we're going to use OneDrive to do that, the connector. So just type in here OneDrive and click the connector there and scroll down until you find Get File Content and click that, and then click this little folder here and we're just going to find it. So Embed Image Tutorial, and there's our Power Automate logo. And what we need to do now is we need to send the email itself. So if you just type Outlook, then click this connector here. Then if we go down, then if we just go to send an email v2, which is right here, click this and it should load in. We're gonna send the email to ourselves. So I've got my email address already set up. The subject can just be test. And this is where we're going to actually embed the image. So if we just go into here, into the code view, let's delete this out. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste this code in here. I'll leave it in the description. It's essentially just an image HTML tag with an image in it. There's our source there. And there's our base64 code. And just behind this comma, what we're going to do is create an expression. So we're going to type in base64. We're going to put some parentheses, and inside here we're just going to put this file content up there. So it's our image, so we're just going to use this here. So we've embedded it in, and now if we click save and then test, and we'll just manually test that, then click continue, run flow, and click done. And if we go, yep, we can see it here. So it's really as simple as that. So what you can do as well is if this is too big and you want to remember the height and the width, you can just go back into the Power Automate code and literally type in width equals, let's say 50%, height equals, let's say 500 pixels. And if we just save this and send it as a test, just click run flow and click done. And as you can see, it's a bit smaller, so you can amend the height and the width to whatever you really need. For example, if this was a signature, you could have it just here and it could be a bit smaller. If this video helped you in any way, do me a favour and just drop me a like, drop me a subscribe, or just even a comment. Let me know how you got on. But other than that, thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next. Cheers, bye.